Okay, so we're up here this time, and I'm going to dig a trench around the house, 3 sides of the house, because the water comes really hard from this way, and then of course it's all downhill anyway from this stuff. So I dig a pretty good sized trench through the back here down both sides. Should divert a lot of that water away. So I started already, and I messed up because I was thinking that that white fence is our property line. Eventually that's going to be run all across the 2.5 acres. But I was thinking I'd start over here. So I dug a big old hole at first and was getting ready to back up and bring it on down. And I realized that I messed up because that's our property line. I don't want it to be off our property line. So I covered it back up. It took some time. And I started where I should have started in the first place. So, got this going. It's going to be roughly 1.5 2 feet deep, a couple feet wide, and it'll go all the way down there, and then also all the way down here, and on the other side. So, I better get back at it. Okay, so here we go. Right now, we're going to start. We are starting. Let me see. Is that on? Yes. Okay, sorry about the close-up. All right, by we, I mean me and the dogs. Gotta check on the dogs. Can't see nothing. Oh man. How do you work this thing?